up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're finally getting into the last and final application for our liquid section in the backyard. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, before we dive into this video, I wanted to mention I am inside. It is getting cold. You know, I didn't want to be outside. It is dark. I got a full lighting setup going on here. Follow me on Instagram if you want more updates on the lighting. I'll include a clip right after this so you guys can check out the lighting. But before we get into it, I wanted to mention we've got plenty more videos coming this season. Do not think content is winding down. I've got plenty more things coming. Trust me, I'm not going to give up on you guys. Winter content is fun content because it prepares us for the spring, gets us ready for the spring, and builds up momentum for the spring. So, without further ado, we went ahead and did the last application of liquid fertilizer to our liquid section. That included 1801, Green Punch, and RGS. As you all know, we are following Greene County Fertilizer's liquid fertility program for that back section. I decided I wanted to do that because I wanted to show you, if you guys have Greene County Fertilizer's products, you follow their liquid regiments, you're going to do just fine. We followed their 12 ounces per 1,000 square feet of Green Pop. We followed their 3 ounces per 1,000 of RGS. And then we did their 12 ounces per 1,000 of the 901 Green Start. And then 3 ounces per 1,000 of RGS. For those of you guys who aren't new here, I will leave some links in the description down below to the N-Ext products if you want to pick some up. And for those of you guys who don't know what the N-Ext products are, it's liquid fertility. So what that means is it's liquid fertilizer, basically. You put it in an ortho-dialing spray and you spray it on your lawn. Good stuff, good products. I've been using them for almost a year now, so good stuff, good quality. Back to that, we went ahead and applied the 1801 Green Punch at 15 ounces per 1,000 to close out the season on that section. At 15 ounces per 1,000, that delivers 0.22 LBN. And that's our nitrogen per 1,000 square feet we're getting out of that. It's a low rate. It's less than a quarter pound. A quarter pound would be 0.25. So it's a perfect amount. We also applied RGS, root growth stimulant, 3 ounces per 1,000. Stimulate those roots. Wanted to give you guys an update. I am not going to dive into greencast. We'll do that maybe 1 or 2 more times for the end of the season. But I wanted to give you an update on how the soil temperatures are holding. Currently, I have not checked the soil temperatures when I'm holding this. I will put the soil temperature, current soil temperature, on the screen here, as well as what it should be for right now. The weather, we're peaking in the highs of about low 40s to high 50s, anywhere between there. And nights, we're getting 2-3 frosts a week. So some mornings I do wake up and it is quite cold outside. So there's really nothing I can do about that. It's just cold, windy. It's getting winding down. I'm trimming up bushes, getting ready for Christmas lights. You know, that's almost that time of season. We'll be doing a video on that soon. Anyway, back to the application. It's cold today. We applied 15 ounces per 1,000 square feet, 0.22, as I already talked about on that section, to deliver us more nitrogen to close out the season. And to recap why you want to get the nitrogen down this time of year like that is because you want your nitrogen to be in the soil to bring out that early spring push so that you can bring out your lawn and it comes out early and maybe you don't have to fertilize as hard coming into the spring. You know, maybe you can back off 2-3 weeks and you don't have to fertilize as hard. You can come in, slow yourself in, push maybe biostimulants, root growth, humic, all that kind of stuff. We'll be talking about that in the spring, as well as maybe some supplemental content this winter. We're pushing all that. That way we can get it going and it'll come out of that spring pop just like that. Super easy. Alright guys, I knew there was one more thing I wanted to recap, and that was exact dates, when all this was done. So our seeding date, here I'll show you, I'm looking at the calendar of my phone, was Sunday, September 22nd. So September 22nd to the 22nd of October was 4 weeks, and then 22nd of October, which was a Tuesday, the 29th, was 5 weeks, and then 6 weeks was last week. So this is week 7 after seeding. Probably could have gone earlier with the seeding. I don't know why I didn't. That's okay though. I seeded when I did. By the way, got a new phone. Investments into the business. Anyway, I seeded when I did. It wasn't terribly hot. It had nice temperatures. We were mid-70s then. Temperatures have really slowed down now. We were watering then. Irrigation has been completely put away. We've gotten frost. We got a hard frost like last week. We were down in like the mid-20s. But anyway, I put all that away. We did not get any snow. That's really it. We didn't get any snow. Put the water away. It's just kind of resting there. It looks really good if you ask me. I mean, if you guys haven't seen a few clips, they'll be in here somewhere. If you have any questions about the applications we made on this lawn, please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.